Hello and welcome guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. Guys, today I am going to show about this viral reel which you have seen in the preview. If you want to try this trend, keep watching this video and let's start. Guys, you need two applications to edit this trend, which is Turbo VPN and CapCut application. Guys, you wouldn't find CapCut application on the Play Store. You have to download its APK. If you want a tutorial for this, link given on my video description, you can watch it. But guys, before using CapCut, you have to install the Turbo VPN from Play Store. If you want to also tutorial for this, check out my video description. Now guys, before using CapCut, first I connect the VPN. Have to click on the caret icon and connect like this. Okay, now have to exit from here and can see on the background VPN connected. Okay. Now guys, open your CapCut application and let's know about how many photos do you need to edit this video. Okay, so guys, you need 8 photos to edit this trend and import the photos on here. Click on the new project and select the photos from your phone library. Okay guys, you have to select like this and have to click on the add option. You can see you have to take the photos like this. Now guys, swipe to the right side and select the format of 9.16. Okay, then adjust your photos like this. Okay, now guys, delete the CapCut watermark from here and then add the music on here. Guys, music link given on my Telegram channel and Telegram link is given on the description. So guys, first open that link and download that reel video. After that, you have to click on the add audio option on here and click on the extracted option. Now guys, select that reel which you have downloaded from Telegram. Okay, like this, and have to click on the import sound only option. In this way guys, music will be added. Now we'll trim the photos according to music. So guys, first I trim the photos. After that I will tell you the photo durations because I can't listen music to you due to copyright issues. Okay. Okay guys, you have seen how to trim the photos. Now note the photo durations from given on the screen. Now guys, we will apply the animation on your photos and select the animation of in animation. And here you will get 4 animations of slide left, slide right, slide up and slide down. So guys, you have to apply these effects sequentially like this. Okay guys, you have seen you have to apply the animations like this and your video will be perfect. Now guys, your video is completed. You can save this video. To save this video, click on the forward option from here and have to done from here. In this way guys, you can make this video very easily. So guys, how you like this video? If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel if you want trending videos notifications. So guys, see you in the next video with new topic. Till then, bye bye and take care.